Welcome to the Old Cigar Factory. This is a historic building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 2A, a 2-bed, 2-bath unit on the second floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is the large hall closet immediately to your right. Continuing down the hall, we come to the living room, a spacious room with 7 pieces of furniture, a dining table and 2 chairs, an armchair and end table, and a sofa and coffee table. The windows in this apartment overlook the Ithaca Commons, and you get lots of natural light in this south-facing apartment. Facing the living room is your kitchen, a large corner kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboards. Next to the kitchen is the first of the 2 bathrooms, a spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, a vanity, and a full wall mirror. Heading back down the hall, we come to bedroom 1. A nice bedroom with 5 pieces of furniture, a desk and desk chair, a dresser, a bookcase, and a full-size bed. Each bedroom also has a large walk-in closet. On into bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 has an ensuite bathroom, another spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, vanity, and full wall mirror. Again, the bedroom comes with a large walk-in closet and the same 5 pieces of furniture. You'll note that each room in this apartment is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Rent for apartments in the Old Cigar Factory includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Old Cigar Factory 2A. Call us today for availability.